I just lit up my entire house with these super easy install permanent lights from Lumeri. These lights are super smart, they're Bluetooth and Wi-Fi compatible, they're super bright, and the app on your phone makes it super simple to change from different colors to different occasions to any holidays that you want, all within the app. Let's go through what you'll get in each box and 3 of my favorite things about these lights. First, as we unbox, you'll see that this is packed with several boxes of lights. You get installation instructions and a guide for setting the lights. Pulling out the lights, you'll see a sleek design RGB 5-in-1 beads. These lights have a 3M adhesive or can be screwed in. To connect each light, you have a waterproof 3-prong connection. They give you lots of extra adhesive, screws, and hardware for installation. And packed inside each box is an extension cord and power supplies. Make sure you test each lights before you install them. My first favorite feature is how easy installation was. You simply wipe the surface, pull the plastic off the adhesive stick, and if the tape isn't sticky, warm it up with your hand or screw them in. One thing I didn't do was install the lights close enough to the house. There's no wrong way, but having the lights a little closer gives the light a shadow seen here in the back side of my house. Now just simply repeat this process over the area you want to light up and get ready because it's going to get bright. My second favorite feature of these is the onboard app that you get with it. There's over 55 presets and you can go into each preset and customize what colors you want, how bright you want them, and also how fast you want each feature to be going. And my last favorite feature is that they are permanent. They stay up all year round. That way you don't have to go up onto your roof every winter, spring, whenever you want to celebrate. You keep them up for all year long and simply just change the colors for whatever event or holiday you're celebrating. And thank you so much, Lumeri, for sending me these and getting to experience some permanent lights. For any more information I didn't cover, make sure you go down to the link below and check them out and let me know, would you install these at your house?